Are you struggling to get clients for your business online? If you answered yes, I know I've been there. Standing out on this competitive and crowded environment is very difficult. But I found the best way to get clients consistently without ads, without email, without complicated funnels. And this is through LinkedIn, where I get 500 to 1,000 leads per day even without spending on ads. If you don't know me yet, I'm Wandalin Tankalupig, the 2023 top 50 LinkedIn expert in Dubai and 2021 number one most influential Filipina on LinkedIn. I want to help you get clients consistently. So join my community where I will help you get featured, get support, and of course, I'll coach you one-on-one so you can get clients on LinkedIn consistently for your business. I look forward to seeing you there. God bless you.